Dash is a blueprint that defines data and functions common to all objects of a certain kind. The class. Question number 3, class. Then comes question number 4. The smallest meaningful element of a Java program is called a token. A token. Question number 4, token. And the last one, fill in the blanks. Dash is the process of assigning some initial values to a variable. Initialization. Initialization. So I'm repeating the answers once again. Just match it. First one, object-oriented programming. Second, encapsulation. Third, class. Fourth, token. And fifth is initialization. Then we come to the state, the true and false. In true and false, polymorphism allows a function to behave differently for different objects. True. First one is true. Second, constant means the fixed values that do not change during the execution of the program. True again. True. Question number 2 is true. Number 3, the main function indicates that the execution of the Java program will begin from this point. True again. Number 4, a Java statement must end with a column. It is false. It must be semicolon, not colon, semicolon. Now, question number 5. Inheritance is a feature using which an object in a class acquires the properties of another class. True. 5 is true. Now, the last one. While comparing two variables, their data types should not be same. While comparing two variables, their data types should not be same. It is false. Okay, now I'm repeating the answers one by one. First one, true. First one, true. Second one, true. Third one, true. Fourth, false. Fifth, true. And the last is false. Question number C, application-based question. Ritika has written a program in Java. After the successful compilation of the program, which option should she select to run it? Void main. Right click and void main. So option is then void main, first one. Second one, Karina is writing a program in Java to calculate the average of 3 subjects. Which operator will she use for the same? Which operators? We need 2 operators. One is the plus sign and another is the slash, division sign. One is the plus sign and another is the division slash. This way. Don't make it that way. Okay, from right to left. Okay, now comes MCQs, multiple choice questions. Number 1, a dash is named location in the memory which stores data temporarily. Variable. It is a variable. Multiple choice, question number 1, variable. What does OOPS means? Object-oriented programming. object-oriented programming. Then question number 3, MCQ question number 3. Which among the following feature is used to manage the complexity of the system? Abstraction. Abstraction. Question number 4. Java program is compiled into an intermediate language called bytecode. Question number 4. It is bytecode. Question number 5. The dash works on a single variable or constant. Unary. Unary operator. And the last one. Which symbol is used to combine two or more items in a single line? Plus sign. Now, once again, I'm repeating the MCQ. Number 1, just check it out whether you had written correctly or ticked correctly. First one is variable. Second is object-oriented programming. Third, abstraction. Fourth, bytecode. Fifth, unary operator. And the last is plus. Option B. Give the real life example to explain the object along their attributes and behavior. Define object. Now, I think I gave you the definition of object. Yes, Rohit Valodia. Rohit. Rohit. हाथ उठा के निकल लिया. Don't want to talk at all. हाथ नीचे कर लो. I don't know, there is some problem in the net. But, okay, now definition of object.
6 number.
किसका 6?
Sir, 6 number.
Plus sign.
Sir, MCQ.
Plus sign.
Sign. Thank you.
Okay, now question E. Define. Answer the following. First one is define object. Now, before sharing the screen, let me start Windows Word. Yes, Word. So that I can write the answer and you can copy it from there. Okay, I can type in the answers, you can copy. Because dictation may be, due to some reason, the voice may crack or something like that. So for that reason, I'm going to share the screen with you. I don't need the whiteboard, neither the blue jay. No, okay, let it be there. Let the window of Word opens up. This is question number 1. So let me increase the size a bit. What is the question? Object. Now the part 2, what it says is, give a real life example to explain object along with the attributes and behavior. अब कलर का स्पेलिंग वो यू आर होगा, कब वो यू आर लेता है कब वो आर लेता है पता नहीं चलता. The pen attracts one by its design and color. Okay. This is question number 1. Then comes question number 2. Now, what is the question number 2 is, what is a class? So before I continue with the next question, let me first take the attendance. That is very important for you people. Okay, let me first take the attendance. Aditya Kumar entered the waiting hall. Okay, now for that reason, I have to stop the sharing of the screen. I'm stopping the sharing and let me take the attendance. So today I don't have any problem, hopefully. First one is Ayush Ranjan. Yes, Ayush Ranjan. Then Aditya Kumar. Then Akhil Ranjan. Then we have Akshay Raj Pushkar. Akshat Raj Amaya. Ananya Chandra. ठीक. Then Anurag Bharti. Then we have Bhumika Singh. Then Krish Kumar. Then Madhav Kumar. Then we have Mayank Bajpayee. Here it is Mayank Kumar. Okay. Mayank Kumar Bajpayee I'm writing. Then we have Muskan Kumari. Muskan Kumari, which one is this? There is two Muskans. So I think this is the first one only. So Nida Rashid. Then we have Nishika Bandwal. हो गया. अब आते हैं ऊपर. निशिका बंडवाल के बाद है रामकृष्ण कुमार. Then Ronit Raj. Then we have Ridhima Singh, followed by Ritika Singh. Then Rohit Valotia. Saiba Firdos was present on previous classes, so I'm giving her the attendance of the previous classes also. And Saurav Kumar. Then Shaurya Saksham. I'd written Saurabh Saksham. Anyway, Shaurya, Urya. Shaurya Saksham. Then Shivani Kumari. Then we have Sneha Kumari and Snehalata and Srishti Abhinav. Srishti S-R-I. Srishti Abhinav and few more. Vivek Kumar. एक और बंदा है कुछ आदित्य राज जैसा, मगर क्या है पता नहीं, तो इसको अटेंडेंस आज नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि ये अपना नाम डिजाइनिंग किया हुआ है. सो आदित्य राज, यू मिस टुडे's अटेंडेंस and because of your designing only. Okay, now we once again we go back and do the questions. Now question number 3. Question number 3. What is that? What do you understand by the term polymorphism? Question number 3. Polymorphism. Through which एक सेकंड रुक जाओ, कुछ तो है. I'm missing a word. Polymorphism का एक word मिस कर रहा है. Let me see. Encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism. एक word. To which the same object. Same object. Behaves differently in different instances. Now, question number 4. What are operators? Why do we need them? Question number 4. Operators are the symbols used when perform mathematical or logical operations. Now, part 2. Why do we need them? Then comes question number 5. Question number 5, what is that? What do you understand by the term keyword? Is the then the last one. Okay. Question number 6. Now, what are variables? Why they are different from constants? Yeah, that's all. So I expect all of you to go through this chapter. I expect all of you to go through the chapter and find out if you have any problem there. And next day, if you don't have problem and we have completed the discussion of the problem, then we will start one more chapter, new chapter we will start, and that will be algorithm and flowcharts. That will be algorithm and flowchart. Okay. And one more chapter must be there in your first term exam. Yes, Rohit. Rohit Malotia. हाँ बको रोहित.
Sir, this we have to write in copy.
ना ना इसका अचार डालो और उसके बाद खा देना रोटी के साथ. गधा नहीं तो. सेंट जोसेफ स्कूल में पहली बार पढ़ रहे हो रोहित. नहीं ना. You know what you have to do. You have to fair it up. Keep them safe. हमको भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है. Don't send them in Class Plus Lite or in my personal WhatsApp. Don't send them. Write them in the fair copy. Everything. The fill in the blanks, the true false, the MCQs. You need not to write those. What is that? Concept-based questions. वो 2 क्वेश्चन उसको छोड़ देना है. बाकी जितने भी क्वेश्चन है इंक्लूडिंग द ऑब्जेक्टिव वंस, so you have to write in the fair copy. Keep the fair copy safe. That may be required during exam. Most important thing. And if the school reopens, अगर स्कूल खुलेगा ही, आज नहीं तो कल खुलेगा ही. जैसे ही खुलेगा, I'll do the correction in them. Okay. Although I know I have answered all the questions, but few people had missed the classes. So they can always get the answers if they wish, because I am uploading all the videos every day. So they can also get the video, answers. So hopefully all of you had copied and keep them safe in the fair copy. Fair करके रखना. रोहित, don't mind, हो जाता है कभी कभी, है ना? Okay, we have 1 minute left. So by the time, if you still have someone have any doubt, you can ask. अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो. क्वेश्चन आंसर कॉपी में होना चाहिए, फेयर कॉपी में. हम सारा दे दिए. ओके, नाउ यस रोनित. Yes, Ronit?
Sir, can you tell the syllabus?
No, man, I cannot tell the syllabus now. You can understand. Sir. You can understand we had completed one chapter, obviously there, that is in the first term. एक चैप्टर तो है ना? दूसरा चैप्टर भी जो चैप्टर हम लोग करेंगे. देख, अभी क्या होगा कि सिलेबस फर्स्ट टर्म एग्जाम होगा नहीं होगा नहीं ना जानते हैं. सो व्हाट वी विल डू ऑन go on doing the chapters one after another. ठीक है, जो फर्स्ट टर्म में होगा वो पहले करेंगे, जो सेकंड टर्म में होगा वो बाद में करेंगे. तो तुमको पता चल ही जाएगा कि कौन फर्स्ट टर्म में होने वाला है. तो पहला 3 चैप्टर जो करेंगे वो फर्स्ट टर्म में रहेगा. ओके, सो दिस वे यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड.
ओके.
ओके,